In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Chrome hidden security feature that helps protect against the phishing website, dangerous downloads, and online threats. Watch this. Step number 1. Open your Chrome browser. Simply double click on this Chrome browser, and the right hand side corner click on the three dots and then scroll down. Look out for the settings tab, click on it. So in this slide, click on the privacy and security tab. So after this, simply click on the security tab. So in this slide, you just need to look out for the enhanced protection. Simply check this box. And after this, simply close this slide. And boom. So with this simple step, you can easily protect your browsing data by enabling the enhanced saved browsing. But wait, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.